America is always on the move every year. Millions of us pack up and head to new states in search of better opportunities, lower costs, and a fresh start. But here's the question. Why are so many people leaving certain states behind? From sky-high living expenses and brutal weather to stagnant job markets and rising crime rates, these mass migrations tell a story that's reshaping the nation. Today, we're exploring the 10 states Americans are fleeing the fastest. Is your state on the list? And what are people looking for when they leave? Let's uncover the truth behind this growing trend and break it all down together. But before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on our deep dives into the issues shaping life in America. Now, let's get started.
California, the golden burden. California. The land of Hollywood dreams, Silicon Valley innovation, and year-round sunshine. But behind the glamour lies a harsh reality. California's housing crisis has reached epic proportions. The median home price is $745,000, making it almost impossible for middle-class families to buy a home. Rent isn't any better. Try finding a decent one-bedroom apartment in Los Angeles for less than $2,500 per month. Taxes. California boasts the highest state income tax in the nation at 13.3%, which eats away at even the best salaries. Then there's the traffic. Angelenos spend an average of 119 hours a year stuck in gridlock. And let's not forget natural disasters. Wildfires, droughts, and power outages have become an annual ordeal. Combine all this with the rise of remote work, and you see why people are fleeing to states like Texas, Nevada, and Arizona. Many say they can enjoy the same lifestyle for a fraction of the cost. New York, the city that drains your wallet. New York City, the city that never sleeps unless it's your bank account that's in a coma. Living in New York has always been expensive, but recent years have taken it to a new level. The median rent in Manhattan is $4,200, and buying property, expect to shell out $850,000 on average. But the high cost of living isn't the only issue. Taxes are a heavy burden, with combined state and local rates reaching 12.7%. Everyday life is no bargain either. Groceries, transportation, and even a cup of coffee are priced at a premium. After the pandemic, many New Yorkers realized they could work remotely from states like Florida or North Carolina, where their money goes much further. The quieter lifestyle and warmer weather are just icing on the cake. Illinois. A taxing situation. Illinois has a lot going for it. The Windy City, great universities, and some of the best deep dish pizza you'll ever eat. But these perks come with serious drawbacks. The state's property taxes are the second highest in the country, averaging 2.3% annually. For context, that means a $200,000 home comes with a $4,460 annual tax bill. Combine this with harsh winters and fiscal issues like $140 billion in unfunded pension liabilities, and you start to see why people are packing up. Chicago, the state's crown jewel, has also seen rising crime rates, further pushing residents to seek safer, more affordable cities elsewhere.
Alaska, the wild but isolated frontier. Alaska's natural beauty is second to none, but living here isn't for the faint of heart. Isolation is a major factor. Alaska's remote location means that basics like groceries are extremely expensive. Milk costs around $5.70 per gallon. Winters are harsh, with extreme cold and long periods of darkness. For some, that isolation can feel like a prison. Job opportunities are limited outside of oil, fishing, and tourism. An unreliable internet makes remote work difficult. While it's a dream destination for adventurers, most people find the challenges outweigh the rewards. West Virginia, almost heaven. Almost West Virginia has its charm: rolling hills, friendly communities, and a slower pace of life. But the state is struggling to keep up with modern demands. Economically, West Virginia relies heavily on coal, an industry that's been in decline for years. Job opportunities in other sectors are scarce, and broadband internet access reaches just 69% of households, making it hard for remote workers to thrive. The state's infrastructure also leaves much to be desired. with crumbling roads and bridges. Add in a healthcare system ranked 47th in the nation, and it's clear why many residents are seeking better opportunities elsewhere. Louisiana, charm versus catastropholution, is rich in culture, from its jazz heritage to Mardi Gras celebrations. But life here isn't all parades and po' boys. The state is plagued by natural disasters. Hurricanes, floods, and coastal erosion are recurring nightmares, destroying homes and infrastructure. The poverty rate sits at a staggering 18%, and schools rank 48th in the nation, leaving little hope for young families. New Orleans' high crime rate and sweltering humidity are additional reasons people are leaving for more stable environments. Michigan, still recovering. Michigan has been in recovery mode for decades. While Detroit is undergoing a resurgence, it's hard to ignore the challenges that remain. The state's economy took a hit during the decline of the auto industry. While manufacturing is returning, jobs are still fewer than in its heyday. Harsh winters and poorly maintained roads, 40% are in poor condition, add to residents' frustrations. Even with affordable housing, the lack of economic and infrastructural growth makes Michigan a tough sell for younger generations. Mississippi, stuck at the bottom. Mississippi consistently ranks near the bottom in key areas like education, healthcare, and income. The median household income is just $46,511, and poverty affects a significant portion of the population. Public schools rank 50th in the nation, and many young families leave to seek better opportunities. Despite its beautiful landscapes and warm community spirit, systemic issues continue to hold Mississippi back. Connecticut, charming but costly. Connecticut may offer quaint towns and proximity to major cities like New York and Boston, but the cost of living is a deal-breaker for many. Property taxes are among the highest in the nation, averaging $6,500 annually, while the income tax rate sits at 6.99%. Pair that with rising energy costs and a struggling job market, and it's no surprise residents are relocating. Winters are long, and infrastructure is aging, adding to the list of reasons people are leaving for more dynamic states. Hawaii. Paradise Lost. Hawaii is a dream vacation destination, but living there, that's a different story. A single-family home costs $830,000, and groceries are nearly 50% more expensive than the national average due to shipping costs. Career opportunities are limited, and homelessness is a visible issue in Paradise. While the beaches and sunsets are breathtaking, the cost of living and risk of natural disasters make life in Hawaii unsustainable for many.
So, there you have it, the 10 states Americans are leaving behind faster than ever. Whether it's rising costs, extreme weather, or simply changing priorities, these shifts paint a larger picture of what people truly value today. As we move into a new era of remote work, affordable living, and a balanced lifestyle, it's clear that some states will need to adapt if they want to keep their residents or attract new ones. But every challenge is also an opportunity, and who knows? Maybe these states will bounce back stronger than ever. Now, it's your turn. What matters most to you when deciding where to live? Is it affordability, job opportunities, or maybe just avoiding those brutal winters? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with friends. And hey, if you're curious about the places people are flocking to or the next big trends in American life, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and safe travels wherever the road takes you.